Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up auto color calibration on this device. So the printer needs to be calibrated from time to time, in particular color calibration. It's for this purpose that the automatic color calibration interval must be set. So now I will show you how to set the automatic color calibration interval. So to do it, you need to open your printer IP local address, then open Tools, here choose Utilities, and find here color calibration. And here we have power on calibration. So it means that after powering on, your printer will calibrate colors after 15 minutes, or calibration timing. So every 48 hours printer will be automatically calibrates colors. So I want to set, for example, can be 48 hours, but I want to calibrate printer after powering on after 30 minutes. So click apply and great, the changes have been updated successfully. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.